These days, people can make a job out of pretty much anything, and with the emerging technology of NFTs and the metaverse, people are able to make tons of money just by playing video games. And you don't even need to be a famous influencer to do so. Today, I'm gonna show you how you can make $100 every single day by playing Axie Infinity. Okay, let's hop right into it. Let's take a look at what the game is and how you can start playing it. Before we get started, what exactly is Axie Infinity? Sky Mavis is the game developer who released Axie Infinity in the first half of 2018. It is based on the concept of Pokemon and features similarly adorable creatures as the game's main component. This NFT game uses a play-to-earn model in which you can earn cryptocurrency and then exchange it. You, as a player, will be able to purchase these small creatures to use in battles for real money. The best part is that each pet is one of a kind, with its own set of abilities and personality traits. These creatures can be bred, groomed, and battled for rewards, and NFTs can be used to buy Axies and other virtual items from the in-game marketplace. In the game, players can sell items in the marketplace to earn unique coins. Axies, Infinity, Shards, and Smooth Love Potions are the two types of coins. Both of these coins can be used to make in-game purchases such as upgrading or breeding your Axie. Axie Infinity is available on both mobile and desktop computers depending on your preference. The growing popularity of play-to-earn games like this is attracting players from all over the world who want to supplement their income, and in some cases to make a living. Axie Infinity has a trading volume of over $1 billion and is constantly increasing. So get ready to board the hype train. To gain a basic understanding of the game, you can try your hand at earning some extra cash. Setting up an account on a digital wallet that is compatible with the blockchain network is the first step in playing Axie Infinity. This will be required to keep track of your funds and will complete financial transactions. We recommend using the MetaMask wallet in the game, which is very easy to set up. You'll use the wallet to store your crypto and purchase Axie upgrades and other in-game purchases. It has over 2 million users and can be installed as a Chrome extension. You can load the MetaMask wallet with Ethereum crypto after you've created an account. The initial process may take some time, but once it is completed, you can proceed to the next step, which is to obtain Axies in the game. The following step is to go to the Axie marketplace and log in with your MetaMask account. After that, you'll be able to choose a unique username and get started. Then comes the fun part, where you get to pick your own 3 Axies. The game has over 140,000 different creatures to begin with. It's important to keep in mind that each creature has its own set of unique traits and abilities. A few pointers for selecting the best Axies, including ensuring that the front line has a large number of armor cards, plants have higher HP, and you can create custom stats to choose from based on your needs. Beast, aquatic, bird, bug, reptile, mech, dawn, and dusk are some of the other categories. You will receive a purchase confirmation after purchasing all 3 Axies. You can view the past details and sale history of that particular Axie by clicking on it in the Activities tab or going to the Inventory tab to see all your creatures. After you've established your base, you'll need to download the game application. It's compatible with macOS, Windows, Android, and iOS devices. After you've downloaded the app, simply extract the files and run the setup. After that, launch the game and log into your account, then go to My Axies. Don't worry if you don't see your purchase creatures right away, simply click on Sync Axies and your 3 creatures will appear. Go to your team and add these 3 Axies to begin playing the main game. There are 6 different body parts on these Axies, each of which contributes to a different skill. A creature will take possession of you. Eyes, ears, a mouth, a horn, a tail, and a back are among the body parts. These can all be upgraded and customized to raise the creature's skill and levels. There are over 132 cards in the game universe. These cards have their own set of abilities that allow them to protect damage setup, apply buffs, and debuffs. When combined with other cards, some of these are quite effective. A good Axie should have a mix of abilities that allows it to perform to its full potential on the battlefield. Energy attack and shield energy are the 2 stats on an ability card that indicate how much energy you'll need to play that card. The attack and shield stats show the amount of damage. You'll start with 3 energy bars and gain 2 energy bars with each turn. Getting familiar with these cards and the combinations required to have maximum effect will go a long way towards ensuring you win the majority of your battles. Each player will start each battle with 3 energy bars and 6 cards. When it's their turn, each player has a minute to choose a card. In cases where both axes have the same speed, the order of who goes first is determined by which Axie has the most speed. Lower HP comes first, followed by higher skill, followed by higher morale, and finally lower fighter ID. You don't need to be concerned about the order, instead concentrate on your movement. You'll choose your cards once the battle begins. The shield is activated automatically when you're picking out your cards. During your turn, the turn order is displayed at the top of the screen. The Axies will strike and the effects will be used. The only exception is speed buffs, which are used to change the attack order and are applied to the following turn. Axies attack the target closest to them. Unless you choose to have the option of selecting a different target, Axie Infinity Shards are the game's official in-game tokens for trading and are the game's primary cryptocurrency. You can buy this currency using the other major exchanges such as Bitcoin and then transfer it. Select your preferred battle mode, where you can either create your own adventure story or play in real time. The game has attracted a large number of people from lower socioeconomic groups who want to try their hand at earning extra money by competing against other players. Players can continue to purchase items and Axies from the marketplace and even sell them for a large profit. Flipping Axies entails purchasing a creature at a lower price from the marketplace, increasing its values, and then reselling it for a higher price. As a result, a profit is made. Overall, Axie Infinity has a large share of the online play-to-earn market and is rapidly expanding. The high volume trades and simple features make it an appealing way to make money while sitting at home. The game also assists you in navigating the crypto market and understanding how it works. This knowledge can help you build a portfolio and invest the money you earn in other cryptos with the money you earn in the game. So to get a handle on the features, use this beginner's guide. We're sure you understand the basics of the game and are ready to get started. You can also play the game on your smartphone, which is very convenient, so you can pretty much get started earning money right away. But apart from Axie Infinity, there are other ways you can make more money from NFTs and the metaverse. This video will show exactly how to do so with an investment of $0.